This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kirsten McAndrew. New photos coming soon. Updated second floor villa with tranquil water view. Raised ceilings. Tile and luxury vinyl flooring. Full kitchen. New bath vanities. New panel doors. Spacious floor plan. Private balcony full of coastal breezes with a pond fountain backdrop. Large bedroom with its own bathroom and pretty tile shower. Tasteful furnishings and decor. Ready to earn rental income. Pet friendly for owners. Just steps to heated villa pool. The beachfront amenities are a short walk or tram ride away, beach access, tropical pools, hot tubs, sun decks. Restaurant, poolside bar, market, pizza shop. Kids club with splash pad, activities. Owners play unlimited golf, tennis, shuffleboard. Fitness center, salon services. Gated entrances, 24-hour security. Walk to dining, entertainment, shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirsten McAndrew at 850-249-6100.